in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the color filter intensity on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left panel, select Accessibility. And on the right side, underneath Vision, select Display. And if you scroll down on the right, underneath Color Filters versus Intensity, you can drag it to left or right depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.